In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Ionos account in just about 5 minutes. While the process may seem simple, there are a few important steps to follow to make sure your account is fully and securely deleted. Start by going to the Ionos website. Once you're there, click on the Sign In option to access your account. Then select Customer Account and proceed to sign in. Enter the email address associated with your account and click Next. After that, type in your password carefully and click Next again to log in to your dashboard. Once you're inside your account, look for the Help and Contact option, usually located at the top right corner. Click on it, then choose the Contact option to proceed. Before moving forward, make sure you have canceled all your active subscriptions. This is very important because deleting your account without canceling subscriptions can lead to unexpected charges or complications. After confirming that all subscriptions are canceled, choose your preferred way to contact customer support. Ionos typically offers options like phone, email, or live chat. Once you're connected with support, request account deletion. Be clear and direct with your request. The support team may ask you to verify your identity before processing the deletion. Keep in mind that account deletion is usually permanent. You will lose access to all data and services associated with your account, so make sure you've backed up anything important beforehand. Also, keep any confirmation emails or messages you receive. These serve as proof that your account deletion request has been completed. Deleting your Ionos account can be necessary for many reasons, whether you're simplifying your online presence, switching providers, or addressing privacy concerns. By following these steps carefully, you can ensure the process is smooth and secure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.